In the Gantt diagram you have the list of activities with duration, start and end date on the left-hand side. On the right you have the diagram with the periods referring to each activity. Add activities and build your WBS. Define a name. A period of 2 days is added to the graph. Select the period and move it. Define the start date. Select the end of the period and drag it. Define the end date. Automatically get the duration. In the same way, proceed to add other activities. Add extra the sub-activities underneath. Get the relating groupings. Enter intermediate activities. And delete unwanted activities.